Hey guys, we received this 100 as jewelry tungsten rings for men wedding band, silver brick pattern with a brushed engagement promise ring with a size 6 to 16. So here it comes in a really nice gift box and this is a size is 11.5. So let me just show it to you. So you can see a great style and it's a tungsten carbide material with a great design as well, very smooth corners and the fitting, so not hurting and fits really well. Looks good as well. So with a nice tough material and also like easy and non-hunting design. So looks really nice and you can just wear this exact size. This comes with a nice box as well. This you can see the style looks really good and it comes with this gift box, so its giving is also very nice. So very nice ring, very nice design and tough material and yeah, easy to use and good to get.